thinking of doing some work around your property or a new development? Any ground penetration work, including excavation, carries a potential to do damage to assets. You know, I clearly remember a job where things went terribly wrong. It was a simple piling job, but we ended up hitting a small sewer branch without realising it. And before we knew it, we had concrete all the way into the sewer main. It was such a mess. It impacted our insurance premiums, we were taken off a preferred contractor list, and our cash flow was hugely impacted. My boss was furious and I felt terrible. I never want to go through that again. So now I follow these simple steps. Plan the job well. Get your paperwork in order. Prepare yourself and others. Make sure you know where the assets are. Then prove their location. It's not hard, and a little time now will save a lot of time and money later. And once you've found them, protect them. Now you're ready to get on with the job, safely and without any drama. Got any questions? Your local water authority are here to help. And you know what? This applies at home as much as it does on the job.